Now we want to take a look at uploading and publishing your app. The link that you see at the bottom of the screen is also in the email that was emailed to you with your APK file. And here is the email that you will receive. You can see where the link is there, playgoogle.com, and how to download the APK file. And you'll want to download that and save that into one of your directories. Once you've downloaded that, then you're going to upload your new APK file. Just go to Browse, select your file, and start to upload. And it's going to take a few minutes to upload, so it's going to be a pretty good size file. For example, this one is 7.73 megs. Once it's uploaded, you will see this screen come up. Just click Save, and you will be able to start and go in and start publishing and getting everything ready. Complete the upload and publish the app. What you're going to do is you're going to have at least 2 screenshots. What we recommend after looking at it is go in and pull the first screen, which is always a good looking screen, and your directions screen. And you can use that for your first 2 screenshots. You can upload many screenshots. It's just totally up to you. But you have to have at least a minimum of 2. Go in. Now what we've done is we have found a program called Pixlr. And Pixlr is at pixlr.com. You can do an add-on to Mozilla and go right to your tools. You can see you go right here to the Pixlr grabber. Go over to grab a defined area. Now I'm pulling this directly out of my control panel right off of my preview page. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to pull in and I'm going to crop that. And I'm going to go into Edit in Pixlr. And this automatically takes me to a graphics program where I can edit this to the size exactly how I need it. Now it's extremely important, once again, as I told you in step 2, these are specific size graphics. You can see that this one right now is at 294 by 493 pixels. We're going to go in and we're going to go to image size. We're going to see where that constrained proportions is clicked. We want to make sure we unclick that. We're going to put in our pixel size. Our width is 320 by 480 on the height. Make sure the constrained proportions is unclicked. And you can see that we've gone in and we have changed the proportional size of this graphic specifically for the Android publishing software. We're going to go in and we're going to save it. Right here, when you save it, you'll be able to click and put your name of your graphic right there, whatever you want to name it, and you'll have the opportunity to save it in whatever directory you want to save it in. You can see the size is 113 kilobytes, so we're fine on the size. I just put in HCD screenshot number 1. We're going to say OK. And now we're going to go in and we're going to look at and pull down our second screenshot. And I've got our map page up. And that's going to be my second screenshot. And we're going to do this exactly the same way. You're going to go in and you're going to crop out that. You're going to go into your Pixlr, just like we did before. Crop it. Go into Edit in Pixlr.com. We're going to go in and we're going to change that proportional size there. Go into Image Size. Remember to unclick Constrained Proportions. Go to 320 by 480. Go back up and we're going to save the image. We change this to HCD screenshot number 2. And now we're ready to add our screenshots. They're proportioned to the right size. You can see over here where it tells you what size your screenshots should be and exactly how you should build them. So let's go ahead and upload our screenshots. Just do a browse and we're going to pull in screenshot number 1. We're going to hit the upload button and that screenshot is uploaded. Now we're going to go up right under where it says screenshots at least 2. We're going to click on add another. And we're going to go in and we're going to browse. We're going to add our next screenshot, which is screenshot 2. Now we're going to go in and we're going to add a high resolution application icon. This icon has to be 512 by 512. There's a great little program that's right here in Google. Now you will need to run this program as recommended in Google Chrome. I ran it in the other browsers. It definitely works better in Google Chrome. It's a Google product, so they recommend you use it in Google Chrome. Just click on the Learn More button, And the link is right there. It's called the Android Asset Studio. This helps you create the size app that you need. You're going to be creating a 512 by 512 icon, a very large icon. You just go in and you click on image, you upload the icon that you want, and the big image there is the icon that you're looking for. You just want to right click on that and save it to your directory. And then we're going to go in, and you see where I saved it to the directory. We're going to just click on that and open that, and we upload that in there, and that gives us our large icon. And the Android app uses this up in the left-hand corner when people go in and they download your app. It's just another place for you to advertise. There are some other areas on here. You can see promotional graphics, feature graphics. Those are all optional. You can go in and learn about those and do those however you would like to do them. You can also add a video if you like. If you're not submitting a privacy policy URL, just click on that to where it says no. You have the option to do that. Privacy policy yes or privacy policy no. If you're not going to have a specific URL that goes to the privacy of your app, then just click no. But you can add several things. You can actually add YouTube videos in here, little 30-second short videos, so if you want to do that. Go on down to the listing details. You're going to tell what the app is, the title of the app, as this, Hunt County Mobile Directory. Description, Hunt County Mobile Directory gives you instant mobile contact with your favorite business in Hunt County. You can put up to 4,000 characters in there. That is a huge description. Then you're going to come down and you're going to select the application and the category. This is an app. It's a mobile application. You want to click application. It's not a game. And then you want to click business or whatever category that you wish to put it in. Copy protection, that's going away, so just leave it off. Content rating, everyone, and actually everyone is going to be going away also. It's only going to be low maturity, medium maturity, or high maturity. So you want to just click everyone. And then come down and you'll have your contact information, and make sure that you click on the consent form. You can't go any further unless you click on the consent form, and you just click both of those boxes. Read all that legal stuff if you would like to, and go up to the top of the page up to where it says publish and save. We're going to click publish. Now right there it says there is no active APK, so your application will not be available to any devices. You have to go in and physically activate this. You can see here that there's a new app. It says activate or delete. We want to activate that, so we just click the activate button, and it goes right up into the activate area, the active area, and you can see that it's active. Now we're going to click publish. There's going to be a box that puts up that you're going to click. It says, I understand that setting the price of this app is free, is permanent, and that the app cannot be changed to have a price later. Now you can upload publish apps later on that are paid apps, but this specific app is going to be free and you cannot change that. So you go ahead and click I understand, hit OK, your app is published, and you're ready to go. And the first app that I did, the 1.00, within 20 minutes, I was able to find it on the Android store. This is step 3, uploading and publishing your app. I recommend that you go through this video a few times just to make sure you have everything down. Stop it as you go through the video, through each section of producing and publishing your app, and I don't believe you'll have absolutely any problem. Once again, step 3, uploading and publishing your Android app.